Your online success depends on these two factors: posting content and engaging with others. Let me explain. The dream life is to have a sales funnel that makes you money on autopilot and you never have to worry about getting customers or clients again. So you have landing page, email course, great offer, dollar signs. While this can be built with some dedicated time, it's never going to work if you don't show up on the top of the funnel. If you don't show up, you don't exist. I made this mistake myself. I spent over 6 months building a web design course in 2 languages without posting almost anything about it. The launch was uneventful. Let me use numbers to make this relevant. If you have a funnel, it probably has a 2% conversion rate, and you bank $100 for each conversion. That means you need to get 100 people to enter your funnel to earn $200. To land on your funnel in the first place, people need to see your content. If there's nothing here, this does nothing. If we want 100 people to enter the funnel, your content has to reach at least 2,000 people. That means a good 5% conversion rate. And to get that kind of conversion, your content has these elements: useful information to your target audience, call to action, link to your landing page, or a message automation software to send the lead magnet on Instagram and so on. So this is one piece of content. It can be a video on YouTube. How many views will it get per week? Maybe 100. Or if you already have an audience, maybe 1,000. Now you already made the video, so obviously you will share it on other social media to get more views, which are, of course, low-key shadow banning your post, because why would they promote content that takes people out of their platform? One way to counter this is by uploading your video directly to Facebook and LinkedIn. Test and see. Because now these platforms actually have a reason to promote your content, and you will get more likes and more views. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. And now the 100 or 1,000 views you got on YouTube can double elsewhere, and more people will follow your CTA. 1K here, 1K here, all leading back to the landing page. Let's say 3,000 now. What else can you do? You zoom in, cut your content into a snappy summary you can post as a short on Instagram and TikTok. And if it gets views and likes, post it also on YouTube and X as a short and LinkedIn. And don't worry about reposting. 99% of people will ever see any of your content ever. And here's a great bonus tip. If your content hits a home run, promote it as in paid content. This basically guarantees that your ad is going to get you more leads and sales. So that is the content part. What was I talking about? Engagement. Engagement is the best way to get more people interested in your content. See, when you comment, like, and follow other people, let's draw it. Comment, like. See, when you comment, like, and follow other people generally notice that and come to check your stuff out as well. So it goes in and some traffic comes back out. And when they do come to check you out, now you have a new video or article or tweet waiting for them. Extra likes, views, and comments you can get in the beginning will all give the algorithm more reasons to give your video more impressions and give you those breakaway views that get people in your funnel and eventually make you more money. So let's see here. I have 5,000 views in total. 3,000 from here. It's 8,000 people seeing your content in total. 5% enters into your funnel, 400 people. 2% convert, that's 800 per each conversion, that's $800. And if you do this weekly, that's 4 times 800, $3.2K per month with this system. Obviously, these are example numbers, but I hope you get the idea. And there's another reason for this. People generally don't like post and go type of creators. Engage with others and show that you're a real human. That builds trust. Write a comment below if you want to hear my posting and engagement strategy in detail, and I'll make that video next.